Adapting the tank filler neck with the right device is very simple, thanks to the wide choice of our range. We have advanced mechanical protection devices, smart caps, and the Mach 2 modular configurations for multiple functions in a single unit. Installation on the tank takes just a few seconds, without any modification. Once the original cap has been removed, some preliminary measurements must be taken, such as size of tank filler neck, type of tank filler neck, space surrounding tank filler neck, KOCKON has set the highest standards in fuel protection and control. Various configurations are available for many requirements. Installation is very easy, taking just a few seconds. Remove the cap and clear any obstructions from the tank neck. See how easy it is. As easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Insert. 2. Secure. 3. And start refueling. Your tank is now 100% protected, from the first drop to the last. Choose Genesis. We've got fuel covered.